In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create standard operating procedures in Notion. Creating standard operating procedures, or SOPs, is crucial for maintaining consistency and quality in your workflows, whether you're running a small team or managing a large organization. Today, we'll specifically focus on setting up an SOP library right within Notion, a powerful tool for organizing and managing your documents. To begin, we need to create a dedicated space for our SOPs. In Notion, this can be done by creating a new page. Once you're in Notion, navigate to the sidebar and click on Plus New Page. Here you can enter the title for your page. In our case, let's call it SOP Library. This title serves as a clear identifier for where all your operating procedures will reside. Once you've named your page, it's important to consider the structure. A well-organized SOP library allows you to easily find and update your procedures as needed. Start by thinking about the categories or units relevant to your organization. Consider what processes you routinely follow and how they might be grouped into logical sections. For instance, if you run a marketing department, you might have sections for content creation, social media management, and analytics. Organizing by category can streamline your process and make it easier to maintain. Now within your SOP library, you can start adding specific SOPs. Each SOP can have its own page or subpage, which might include step-by-step instructions, necessary tools, or responsible parties. When structuring each SOP, clarity is key. Make sure to include a clear title, followed by a brief overview of what the SOP covers. This gives any reader a quick understanding of the document's purpose without diving into all the details. For the detailed steps in your SOPs, take advantage of Notion's versatile features such as headings, bullet points, or numbered lists. These tools can help you break down complex instructions into digestible parts. Remember, consistency in formatting is crucial. It ensures that every SOP is intuitive to follow and easy to reference. In case you have multimedia elements or links to external resources, Notion allows you to embed these directly within your pages. Seamless access to additional resources can enhance understanding and implementation of procedures. Lastly, consider setting permissions for your SOP library. Notion's collaborative features enable you to share your SOPs with your team while controlling who can view or edit each document. Ensure that key team members have the appropriate access to keep the SOPs up to date and relevant. By following these steps, you can create an effective SOP library in Notion that keeps your team aligned and your processes standardized. It's a simple yet powerful way to boost productivity and ensure everyone knows precisely how to carry out their tasks efficiently. Now that you have a framework, start building out your SOPs and witness the transformative power of organized, accessible information right in your Notion workspace.